Hi everyone, Sherry here. I just want to mention this is a great cookbook. The recipes are very easy. I'll be doing a recipe out of this Gooseberry Patch 101 Easy Everyday Recipes. This I bought at a thrift store, but they do sell it at Amazon, and I'll put the link down below. The recipe that I'll be making is honey cornmeal chicken. So what all goes into the honey cornmeal chicken? Only 4 ingredients. 1/2 cup honey divided, 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts, 1/4 cup yellow cornmeal, and 1/2 teaspoon orange zest. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 350. Take an 11 by 7 pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. So I went ahead and just took a paper towel and spread it around. Take 2 tablespoons of honey and drizzle it on the bottom. And then just spread that all over on the bottom of the pan evenly. Then take your 4 pieces of boneless skinless chicken breasts, and I didn't realize I got such huge ones. I just thought I had several of them. And arrange them on the bottom of the pan on top of the honey. And just like so. I'm actually going to do it this way. I'm going to trim some of the fat like that, just for better tasting, and I'll do that and I'll be right back. So take your remaining 1/2 cup of the honey and spread it on top of the 4 chicken breasts. Try to get it all covered on the top, on the sides. All right, set that aside. Then take your 1/4 cup of cornmeal and your 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest and mix that together. And sprinkle that evenly over the chicken. Then take some foil and cover it up. And place your honey cornmeal chicken in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, remove the foil and take your non-stick cooking spray and spray the tops of the chicken. Then stick that back into the 350-degree oven for 30 minutes or until the juices run clear and at internal temperature of 165. Because the breasts were bigger, I had to let it cook for 40 minutes. Let's test the internal temperature. And it's above 165. So we'll get this dished up, and then Dave can do a taste test. So here is the honey cornmeal chicken. And rounding out the meal is mixed vegetables with cheese. Let's see what Dave thinks.
And I assume that's chicken?
It is chicken. It's honey cornmeal chicken.
It's nice and juicy. The cornmeal gives it a different texture, but it's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.